The ongoing military operation by the Indian forces in the Kulgam district has entered its ninth consecutive day today. The coordinated search operation was launched in the Akhal area on Thursday, 31st July, following intelligence reports about the presence of a group of the Mujahideen in the locality. As the ongoing military and the coordinated search operation in the Kulgam district enters its ninth consecutive day today, the besieged residents of the Akhal village have appealed for relocation, citing severe hardships and the growing fears for their safety. Coordinated search operation launched by the Indian forces on Thursday has brought the daily life to a standstill. A day after occupied Kashmir administration ordered the forfeiture of 25 books, the Indian police have launched a valley-wide searches of the bookstores to ensure compliance with the ban. The police teams, as per the details, visited several bookstores in Srinagar, Sopore, Ganderbal, Anantnag, Kulgam and other towns, verifying inventory and removing any listed titles that have been declared as forfeited under the Section 98 of the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita 2023. An Indian Central Reserve Police Force trooper committed suicide in South Kashmir's Islamabad district today. The CRPF man, name withheld, who was posted for C-164 battalion, shot himself dead with his service rifle in the Duru area of the district. Supreme Court of India will now hear the application seeking the restoration of the statehood to occupied Kashmir, likely on 14th August. The advocate Irfan Hafiz, petitioner, confirmed to the media that the matter has been rescheduled and is officially listed for the hearing on 14th August. Chief Minister Umar Abdullah has said that the territory should be granted statehood as soon as possible, as it is the right of the people who have been waiting for the restoration. Umar Abdullah, addressing the National Tribal Festival in Gurez, said the Indian Supreme Court mentioned the restoration of the statehood during the Article 370 hearing last year. US President Donald Trump has said that there will be no trade negotiations with India until a dispute over the tariffs is resolved, following his administration's decision to double the tariffs on the Indian imports. The White House issued an executive order imposing an additional 25% points on tariffs on the Indian goods, raising the total levy to 50%.